Yo, what's up? Welcome to Degen Ed. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts, like the chart behind me, which is of Hycroft Mining, ticker symbol HYMC. And so the reason why I want to be going over this chart is because on Tuesday, November 14th, in the after hours, there will be a 1-to-10 reverse split. And so I think it's good to be preparing for that in order to manage expectations, whether that's expectations of the price going to the upside or the downside. And so I've made a couple videos on this before, which included some of the lines that are drawn here. I've also added a couple more. And so I'm just going to take you through that briefly before getting into what I think will happen following the reverse split. And so what we can see is this downward parallel channel that a lot of price action has occurred within. However, there have been a couple of breakouts to the upside, which effectively served as bearish consolidation or bear flags prior to breaking back within the channel. And now at a current price a current price at market close of about 18 cents. In the after hours, it has gotten up to nearly 19 cents, but I expect that to be just kind of a fake out before price continues downward next week. And so looks like here, this channel that I have drawn that begins on October 4th going to October 24th, there was some bearish consolidation around the time that it was rumored that there would be a reverse split. And then on October 26th, I believe in the pre-market, or might have been after hours on the 25th, there was the announcement that the reverse split, 1-to-10 reverse split, will be happening. And as you can see, there was a lot of downward price action following that, which resulted in basically a 34% move to the downside over the course of 4 days, starting from the open on October 24th to the close on October 30th. So you could see price was right around 22 cents a share before some more bearish consolidation started again, forming this bear flag. And I want to point out that on November 3rd, I put out this tweet posing the question, is Hycroft Mining forming a bear flag? And that didn't get much attention. But, if we look back at the chart, a few days later, that bear flag started to break down to the downside. And then we saw over the course of a few trading days, a move of about 30% with a low of 18 cents a share. And so with just a couple more trading days before the reverse split, I'm wondering, what's going to happen. And so I'm just going to zoom in a little bit so we can see this better and actually adjust the y-axis. So what I expect to happen is that there will probably be some more bearish, consolidation before the reverse split. So I expect price to maybe go up to 20 cents a share, might go lower than 18 cents a share, but kind of be within maybe that range. But then when the reverse split happens, based on what's happened with with reverse splits for other stocks, I expect the price to go down. And so I have this box drawn here that represents about a 34% drop, so kind of like similar to this prior box that I have drawn here. And that is based on the intersection between the top of this channel and November 14th, the date of the reverse split. And so I would expect price to drop to around 14 cents a share, which would be $1.30 or $1.40 post reverse split. However, I could see price going as low as 12 cents a share, so that would be $1.20 post reverse split. And that is really just based on the intersection of November 14th and the bottom of this channel, so right here. And so do I feel confident that 12 cents or $1.20 post split will be hit? I'm not exactly sure, but I'm preparing for that. My expectations are that price will go much lower. And it could just be, maybe it will stop at 15 cents or $1.50 post split before continuing up. But following these downward moves, I do expect there to be some upward movement, whether that's resulting from a squeeze or just that the news of the reverse split is behind us and that price can finally start to go up again. And so anything basically leading up to Tuesday and the announcement of the reverse split in the the action of the reverse split in the after hours, I expect any upward movements to be bearish consolidation before downward moves following the reverse split. So over the course of the next 1 to 2 weeks, I expect price to go as low as $1.50 or $1.20 post split before upward movements. So that's what I'm prepared for. Hopefully this video was helpful for you. If it is, make sure you like it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope the reverse split goes well for you in managing your expectations. Hopefully this video was helpful. Thanks a lot.